Hey guys, this is Jesly8888 and I'm here to do an unboxing of the JC Wings Air France Boeing 777-300ER in Skyteam livery. And before I do this unboxing, I want to give a shout out to NWA941, AUS Aviation 149, and Gemini Jets 2011. You guys gotta check these guys out, these channels out. They have great videos, so I want you guys to check them out. So right now, let's do the unboxing. Right here you can see the box. It doesn't really say it's from JC Wings. You can see that there is no indication that's from JC Wings. So here's the front, and you can see there it's a Boeing 777-300ER, and here's the Skyteam logo, and here it says Skyteam Air France KLM. So here's the side. You can see Skyteam, and so scale it's a 1 to 400 scale. As you can see, basically the sides all the same. Yep. And here's the back. Yes, it says flatline 400. I'm not too sure. Here's the Skyteam again. Here's the plane, and here is some other languages. No, okay. And JC Wings, they are licensed by Boeing. So let's do the unboxing. It's a bit hard to take out. Here's the plastic, and here's the model, and the plastic. And I can say that this model is just awesome. It's just great, man. The camera cannot catch the detail, I bought this for about 66 Singapore dollars. That's about 32 pounds with shipping, from a UK based website. It's called airspotters.com. and here's the plane. You can see here is the cockpit of the plane. Let the camera focus if the camera wants to focus. I'll just put the plane down. You can see here, camera doesn't want to focus, but still overall you can see. As you can see here, it says Boeing 777. It is Air France KLM. Here's the door. There's the landing gear, and here's the Skyteam with Air France written on it here. And as you can see, here is the antenna here. Yep. And here you can see the emergency exit doors, and here's the engine. Yep. And as with all Boeing 777-300ER or 200LR, it has these extended wingtips. You can see. And here's the Skyteam livery. And the registration for this plane is F-GZNE. As you can see, the tail with Skyteam livery and the APU. And here's the reverse side. Here's the registration number. You can see there's the cargo door and the underbelly and the cargo there. And now we move on to the underbelly of the plane. As you can see, look at the engine. They are just so detailed, you know. You can see, most probably you can't see because of the sun reflecting. Like, and as with most, with all JC Wings model, the wheels do pivot and they do roll, so that's a bonus. You can see here, this plane is just amazing. Let me give you a front view of it if possible. The camera just doesn't want to focus the eyes. There you go. Look at it, man. It's just so awesome. Let me give you a back view of the plane. There you go. Oops, sorry. Plane's just so amazing. Look at the wing tips. Yeah. So you guys, if Waffle Collectibles or Jetway models are still selling this model, you guys have to get this. You know, this model is just awesome by JC Wings. So yeah, you guys, this is Justly 8888, and be sure to check out those channels I just said. Hopefully I can put it in the description box below, and peace out.